Hi, this is Purav Gandhi. Welcome to the Future of Health series by Health Arc Insights. In this session, we'll talk about digital twin within life sciences and healthcare context. So now, what is a digital twin? The answer is very simple. It's a digital copy of your physical self. It could be anything. It could be a human body, it could be a specific organ, it could be a manufacturing setup, it could be a hospital, it could be anything. But when you generate a digital copy of that, what you now have is the ability to watch and monitor very closely what is going on within the human body or any other physical entity which we are talking about. Not only that, now you can actually generate models and simulate the future within that digital copy without having to incur the complexity, the cost, or the risk of changing anything within the human body. Now, why talk about digital twins and why talk about it today? The main reason is digital twins now are a distinct reality with the amount of data that we have available. For example, when we talk about human body, historically what did we have? We had the information shared by the patients or a human being. We had some lab tests available to know what's going on in the human body. Then came imaging. Now we have a ton of data. Now there are sensors which can detect in detail, give real-time data of what is transpiring within human body. We have these IoT enabled sensors which can go along with the human body wherever they go. There is genomic data which is available in much more detail to actually define what is the different or similar underlying condition within any human body. You have imaging data with much more granularity, way more number of slices per second to dissect what is going on within the human body, how changes are taking place. There is biochemistry information available. Even there are pills that could be swallowed with a camera which can identify what is going on in the human body. So now as I take all this information together, the ability to simulate using analytics and artificial intelligence what is going on in the human body, how does it change as external conditions change, how does it change or react when a certain external stimuli in the form of a medication or a medical device is applied, can be studied with a way higher granularity than before. So digital twins now enable you a way to do research without having to actually take the risk of changing something in a human body. Where do we apply this? So the first most important place where this is applied is within preclinical trials, where a lot of animal models, where high risk molecules were studied, do not translate into successful human models. Now using digital twin, the chances of success can be improved significantly because the animal body does not simulate the same condition as a human body, but a digital twin could. Within clinical trials as well, a lot of trials can now be done in silico, or at least parts of trials which are more riskier in nature can be done in silico, and as a result of that, not only can it reduce risk, but the speed at which the entire simulation can run will improve significantly. For example, if we are looking for how would a particular human body or a patient react to a treatment in 6 months, we'll have to wait 6 months for so many patients, so probably more than a year before we know the outcome. A simulation model can run much faster and we would know the outcome maybe within hours or days. So again, digital twin will bring that benefit. There are also other benefits which are available for digital twin which are more operational in nature. So for example, within a hospital, how would you optimize the healthcare workflow? How would you triage patients? How would you speed care coordination can be simulated in a much better way. Similarly, supply chain simulations can be run in way more detail using a digital twin as opposed to simpler 1 or 2 dimension regression models which are usually applied within supply chain. With this knowledge of digital twin, now the real question is, where will you apply digital twin within your workflow in life sciences and healthcare industry? Talk to us. Would love to engage with you in a dialogue on where digital twin can change how your industry operates today. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we'll talk about AI as a new doctor. It's the buzzword, how AI is going to replace or become the new doctor. Stay tuned.